In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a team meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to organize virtual meetings seamlessly and efficiently, leveraging the power of Google's ecosystem. Whether you're planning a quick catch-up or a formal team presentation, Google Calendar and Meet make it simple and convenient. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. This can typically be accessed by opening a new tab in your browser and typing Google Calendar. Once you are on the calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. You'll see various options and a calendar view displaying your existing events. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a Create button, identifiable by a plus sign inside a circle. Click this button and a small menu will appear. From the options presented, select Event. This will kick off the process of creating a new calendar event. Now it's time to add the crucial details of your meeting. Start by filling in the event title. Make sure to choose a name that all invitees can easily recognize. Then specify the date and time your meeting will occur. You'll also find fields to include other relevant details like a brief description of the meeting or any preparatory work that invitees should complete beforehand. After you've set up the basic details, it's essential to invite your participants. Look for the Add Guests section, typically located on the right side of the event creation screen. Here you can input the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. As you type each email, Google Calendar will provide you with suggestions based on your previous entries. Once your guest list is complete, it's time to add video conferencing capabilities. To do this, simply click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Google Calendar will then automatically generate a Meet link and attach it to your event. This feature is brilliantly convenient as it ensures all the invitees have instant access to the meeting link. With your Meet link in place, your meeting is almost ready to go. Take a moment to review the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. The date, time, title, and guest list. Double check everything. When you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click Save. By clicking Save, you'll be sending out invitations to all your guests, complete with the details necessary to join your meeting via Google Meet at the specified time. And there you have it, your meeting is successfully set up, inviting collaboration and connection effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy meeting planning.